Oh, it's Tuesday. And it's tiny day. Tiny. I don't know why I just did that. But in here we have our Tiny Tuesdays, and we have the Mystic Halfoween Collab. So it's gonna be 2 tinies, and I got $20 to both. So yeah. And let's start with the Tiny Tuesday first. So this money is going in here with that. Okay, so we're gonna sit this here. We're gonna bring out my tinies. All of the tinies in my Tiny Tuesday are on my KoFi. So you can go get them and print them out and use them. What are my plans today? So when I get done filming these videos, hold on. I had to make sure everything is in camera. So when I get done filming these videos, I am going to the post office, because you want to know why? I got KoFi memberships. Oh, T. Clock it. Let me show you. Hold on. Oops. Well then, I don't have it to show. That's so bad. But if you go on my KoFi and go to my post, I put a picture of how it looks. And yeah, you can still sign up. Get you some memberships, girl. For real. And okay, so I have this dice. It has 2 and 3 on it. That's all it has. And I got it from Sarah Saves 07 on her Etsy. So we got $3 here. Is that 2? Yeah, that's 2. And then all these challenges from my Tiny Tuesday are going to my month ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna use this D3 for the Mystic collab, because it looks like we're just going one time. Maybe 2, I don't know. Okay. Oh, that works out perfect. So we are going to, ooh, don't get it mixed up. So yes, when I get done filming this, I am going to the post office so I can send the mail off. It's kind of like, I'm kind of nervous because I never sent like mail off to somebody. Let's pick a marker. Let's use these. So this one has $3. I do want to change these tinies and put them in an A6 binder, because like I don't want to keep folding the money, even though the bank give you money messed up, somebody bid on it. Girl, I don't know. It was probably drug dealer money. But who knows? Oh yes. So look, I created these little wedding ones because your girl is a fiance. So we have $2, 50 cents, $1, 50 cents, $1, because your girl's a fiance. Do we have a date? No. Have we taken engagement photos? No. We haven't done anything. But I think we are planning to take engagement photos this year. So, be on the lookout for that, y'all. We have $3 in here. Wait. So this should equal up to 10. Let's see how much we have. 5, 6, 7, 8, me see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at there. So this one is completed. This one is completed. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't even have. Okay, I got mine. I was watching a video the other day, and I was watching, cause like, if you have your background that I can see, I'm gonna be looking. And this girl, she had her paper clips in a turnstile pen holder, like the long ones. And I was like, oh my God, that's so good. Here we go. So we're gonna put this one in here, and we're gonna write on the back. Oh, it's already written on the back. My desk is so messy. Okay, number 4. Should I take this dollar to complete number 4? I am. Okay, so number 4 is completed. Look at us, we on the road. Look at us, we on the road. Look at us, look at us, look at us. And this one is $10 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my last birthday one, even though this not considered as month ahead, it's fine. It's fun. Okay, so this one has $2. Look at us on the road. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What else is going on with me? Ooh, so we could do a 3. We could do a 3. Look at there. This one will equal up to $15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why I say 15? It's supposed to be 14. Wait. Girl, anyway. Let's see. Maybe I messed up somewhere. Okay. I have no plans today outside of the post office. So this one is completed for $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Oh, keep the dollar. 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 Okay, so we're gonna add this one in there, and I'm going to give it the $1. So we're starting this one off. Okay, so these are all my minis. Okay, let me put this back in here. So for the minis, we completed 3, and oops, that fell. So I sent them in here in this completed bag that I got from Lena at O&L here. So I set them in there. And now we're about to do the Mystic Halfoween Collab. Let me tell you who is in here. We have Weekly Budgets, Agape Book Club, Divine Save. No. Yes, Divine Savings Code is on here, but she's on the other side. Bonfire Budget, Saving Wet NGX, Diamond Budgets, Budget Talkie, Budget Talkie Testimonials, Cat Lady Budgets, Rag Girl Budgets, Punky Pennies, Gemini, Cynthia Collado, The Dramatic Panda, Save with Glow, Pansy Budgets, Nessa Budgets, Budget with Kim, Divine Savings Code, Saving with Karen, Dun Sunrise Budgeting, Toria's Budget, Cat Stephen Co, and Budgeting with Lysandra. So I have my $20 here, and we're just gonna get the rolling. I don't want to use that color anymore. I'm trying to stick with Halloween colors. So we're gonna use this purple. We're gonna use that color. Okay, I didn't got one. Okay, thank you. And we're gonna put the last dollar here. And then, so we're gonna start on 5 next week. I need to remember that. Yes. Oh, I've been watching Baddies. So it comes on Zeus, and basically, it's a bunch of old women. And when I say old, I mean like late 20s something. So this one needed $2. So we're gonna see this one. Get my marker. So this one is from Weekly Budgets. And then I have money in here. So this one needed 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Okay. So I need to grab from the bag. And this one next up in the, I should take all of them out. So this one is from Bonfire Budgets. So we're gonna start her off with the $1. Okay. And this one is from Agape Book Club. And she has $3. I like Baddies, even though all they do on there is fight, but you know, I love my little ratchet TV. I love my little ratchet TV shows, my little ghetto TV shows. This one has $3. You wanna know who has some crazy movies? Tubi. Like, it's like those movies be, somebody shot them on the iPhone. Like, it's filmed on the iPhone. So, this one is also from Weekly Budgets. And she only needed $1. So, we're going to put the other 2. Wait. So, we're going to get this one. And this one needed 2, 4, 6, 8 as well. So, 5, 6. She has 3. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I don't want to get confused. Where's my paper? Where's my paper clips? Okay, so this one is from Bonfire Budgets. And we're going to color her 2 in there and put them over here. This just stopped me from folding the money. So this one is, okay. This one is from Agape Book Club 2, and it's finished. Okay. So let me do mine. I got $2 left from out of there. So we're gonna color 2 from here. Okay. There we go. And then our last 2 is this one from Agape Book Club 2. So she has 2, and I'm gonna take 2 from the stash over here. So now she is completed. Yeah. Anyway. Do I? No. Anyway, I don't know, I just confused myself, but it's cool. So we have all of, oops, I gotta put this back in there. So we have all of Bunny from Bonfire Budgets, and we have 2 more from Agape Book Club. And then, so this one, ooh, I can't see the name on here. This one is Saving with NGX. She is next, and then I have to cut out the next person in the group. So let's sit these back in here. I don't know, that video got kind of a little crazy towards the end, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So let's put this back in here. Save this for next week. Oh my gosh. So we completed a lot of challenges today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. And I wish I had the memberships thing to show you so you can look at it and see what it looks like. But yes, if you go on my KoFi and go to post, I have a picture of what it looks like. And also, I did make a box challenge for 600 subscribers, so make sure you go grab it. And this collab just came out, so it's fresh, hot on the press. You can still go pick it up if you enjoy tinies. But I don't have anything else to talk about today. So I will see you guys later.